So I would rather that, organizations really start engaging with the younger people, the younger generation, and their potential future employees and leaders.
What are some of the opportunities that you've seen in the industry, not just from what we've been talking about today, which is a lot about diversity and inclusion, but also more generally?
Mm. Opportunities. I think there's real opportunities to be engaging with our younger generation. And I'm a little bit worried at the moment that they're kind of being left behind a little bit. Our people who have just attended university to study events management or have just graduated. But these guys, oh my God, they're on fire. They have such a wealth of knowledge. They're online all the time. They're part of the global community. Like for them, diversity and inclusion really for them isn't a thing. They kind of already almost live and breathe it. So I would rather that, organizations really start engaging with the younger people, the younger generation and their potential future employees and leaders. There's a real there's a real opportunity there that I think there is being overlooked. Definitely.
So is that something, sorry, I was just going to say, is that something you really see and believe that the younger generation, probably those in the sort of 18 to 24 bracket, are a lot more inclusive and diverse, like in terms of their thinking and the way they are?
Yeah, definitely 100%. They're a lot more open to people's differences, whether that is somebody who, might consider themselves gender neutral. That's not an issue. Gen Y, Gen Z don't really care about that. Different sexualities, whatever. So they're already, for them, they live that way. They're used to engaging with and their friends being different to them. So them, it's not really a thing. It's more kind of, I'd say, late millennials, probably like our age group and older, who is a little bit more of a challenge, just because, like you said, bit of a case of being stuck in our ways and not having those opportunities to be the global citizens like our younger people are, for sure.